Apple just dropped iOS 26 with liquid glass, powerful AI, and upgrades everywhere. It's more than an update, it's a statement. They showcase liquid glass and it truly redefines interaction. Liquid glass is their incredible polished, translucent design. We are talking about buttons that float and menus that ripple. It gives your phone a genuinely responsive, natural look and feel. It's a whole new vibe for the UI. But here is the thing. This isn't just a screen candy. This is about how you feel the interaction. It responds to you like it's actually alive. But beneath all that, visual shine is the real powerhouse. Apple Intelligence. This is deep. System-wide AI that just works silently in the background. These are not experiments, they are core features now integrated throughout iOS. It's useful AI. It quietly handles all the annoying stuff which makes your life easier. Got calls from unknown numbers. Your iPhone can take them silently. Transcribe what the caller is saying live and then give you the choice, pick up or let the AI reply for you. And get this, Hold Assist can actually spot when your call's on hold and hold your place in line until a human comes back on. Seriously, no more unknown stressing calls. It's just controlled smart screening. iOS 26 introduces a new way to experience your photos. Using advanced AI, any photo can be transformed into a spatial scene, creating a subtle 3D effect. Foreground and background elements are separated, giving your photos a sense of depth and making them feel more alive. This works both in the Photos app and on the lock screen, where your wallpaper will react as you move your phone. Or on the Apple Watch, there is a workout buddy. This thing pulls your workout data, your history, everything and gives you personalized encouragement in real time with a dynamic voice from a fitness trainer. It's like having a coach right there on your wrist. The best part, all of this is powered by on-device AI. That means it's incredibly fast, super private, and it just works amazingly. So iOS 26 isn't just about quick flashy updates. It's more easy to use and more like human. Hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for quick tech updates.